We are back at NAB 2026, and I think in the industry, as soon as you're talking about images, videos, since the last 30, 40, 35 years, if you want, just like Shantanu was saying, to push the boundaries of creativity, you have to visit Adobe. And we are very pleased to get Sean from Adobe. Hi, Sean.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, great. So can you let us know more or less your role, and finally here Adobe at NAB, because you are attending after the years, so regarding this market, so how Adobe is approaching the market, and especially the whole bunch of software you have.
Yeah, absolutely. So my name's Sean. I'm a video evangelist at Adobe. I used to be OG Frame.io before Frame.io was purchased by Adobe. But yeah, coming to NAB, it's really, I've been coming to this show for years. I think it's great to have a place where everyone's working in the same industry, and you kind of, integrate more into the community. You get to meet creators. You get to meet people that are driving the video and media technology that's kind of keeping us going forward. And it's really nice to be in an environment like this where you're just kind of surrounded by it. Yeah. And also it makes it easier when it's hard to talk to family about this kind of industry. So when you're with your peers and you're with people that like understand what you're talking about, it makes it a lot more fun and enjoyable to
And for sure, because of course ourselves, we are doing a lot of footage, and we are using Frame.io to share and approve the content. So by the way, of course, we have a lot of activities around the Frame.io. Can you very quickly just let us know what can do Frame.io, and maybe some perspectives and some new things coming?
Absolutely. Yeah, so Frame.io at its core is a collaboration hub where all of your creative assets can live. And anyone who has access to your Frame.io account can go in, view video files, PDFs, pictures, any kind of documents, anything that's inside a frame. They're able to access it, leave comments, annotations, and it's a really great place to have a source of truth for all of your creative needs. And something new that we're announcing here at the Adobe booth for NAB is Frame.io Drive. Now, Frame.io, traditionally, everything kind of lives inside a frame via the web. But now with Frame.io Drive, you can actually mount your projects so it's like a local hard drive connected to your computer. This works both on Mac and PC.
Yeah, and for sure, because I think it's important. Today we are producing very large content. It can be 4K. We saw about Blackmagic, 8K, 12K, etc. So the fastest way is to work on your laptop, on your server, on your machine, by the way, instead of you cannot work with super large files in the cloud. So finally, with Drive, you can facilitate finally from production to distribution. Is it correct?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it connects directly to your, like, for instance, if you're using Premiere, you can connect Frame.io Drive. It acts just like a hard drive, so you can access your files directly, and you're streaming those. You're not actually downloading them locally, so you're saving time with uploads, you're saving time with downloads, having to go back and forth. And again, it's another way to increase that source of truth for all of your creative teams, because they can tap in and upload and put anything inside of Frame.io Drive.
Yeah, and what we can say, it's super easy to use, by the way. You don't have to be an engineer. And in the meantime, it's connected to all the suite of software from Adobe Suite, Adobe Premiere, you said, etc. Maybe one of the last things, because a lot of people are talking about AI, we know that you have a huge investment in AI for different verify, etc., etc. So what's going on between Frame.io, AI, and some capabilities you have today?
But right now, in terms of AI and Frame.io, there's, we have various tools that we kind of pulled from a lot of different Adobe products, kind of like transcription, media intelligence, which is the ability to search and type for items inside of your frame account. So this is really assistive tools to help you, like, get your workflow a little faster, allow you to access things quicker, and stay a little bit more organized.
Yeah, excellent. And so something also we can say, because we're also part of the C2PA, which is an initiative also from Adobe, because it's very important to protect creators, photographers, and all the system at different levels from Photoshop to Premiere is driven by these capabilities to assign a certificate to asset in order to track the assets. Thank you so much, Sean.
Absolutely, anytime.
So the only thing we can say, everybody knows Adobe, but maybe you can looking forward alongside Adobe and Frame.io. Your website is an experience itself, so I think we just have to watch it, by the way. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show.
You as well. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye, everybody.
Have a good day.
Bye, you too.